In this video, I'm going to talk about auction insight in Google Ad. Okay, let's start. At first, display URL domain. Here's the list of those we bid with in the auction process. Those are our competitor. And then impression. Impression share means when a user search on Google that I'm eligible for and how much % of time my ad are visible. Let's say today people have searched 1,300 times using the keyword that I have used to run ads, out of which my ad was eligible 1,000 times. But 700 times my ad was visible and 300 times my ad are failed in the auction process. That means my impression share is 70%. Overlap rate means the percentage of time that I was eligible and this competitor bid with me. Let's say today people have searched 1,300 times, out of which my ad was eligible 1,000 times, and this competitor bid with me 700 times. That means his overlap rate will be 70%. Position above rate means the percentage of time my competitor ad is visible above my ad. Suppose I beat one of my competitor 100 times, out of which 10 times his ad was the first position and my ad was the second position. 10 times his ad was the second position and my ad was the third position. And 10 times his ad was the first position and my ad was the third position. That means out of 100 times his ad was displayed above my ad 30 times. That means his position above rate is 30%. Top of page rate means your ad is visible among the top 4 ads. Okay, if I search on Google that best hosting in Australia, then you can say 4 ad at the top position and 1 on the bottom position. If your ad is displayed 100 times, 10 of them at the bottom and 90 times at one of those 4 positions at the top, then your top of page rate is 90%. Absolute top of page rate means the first position. How much % of time your ad are displayed in the first position. Let's say if I search on Google that best hosting in Australia, here will show a lot of campaign, a lot of ad. If your ad is visible 100 times, of which 60 times are visible at the first position, that means your absolute top of page rate is 60%. Outranking share means the percentage of time I beat my competitor to place my ad. Let's say I have bid 100 times with a competitor and 60 times I own and placed my ad above him. That means the outranking share is 60%. When you can optimize your campaign based on this data, then none of your competitor will outperform you. You can get a result like this. This is the result of this ad. If you want any kind of digital marketing related help, contact me. Or if you want to know anything else, comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe my channel.